This just in. Hurricane Westcam is coming straight toward you. Make sure you're safe during this storm.
We're here with Max. Max, how are you going to stay safe during this storm?
I just got these new ocean view windows from Vi Winco.
By Winco, you say? Let's see what Harmony is up to. She's at the manufacturer today.
This is Harmony, live on the scene. I'm here with Mr. David Barnes, CEO and President of Vi Winco. Mr. Barnes, what makes your windows sustainable during this forecasted hurricane?
Well, we manufacture an impact-resistant window, starting with an insulated glass unit that consists of a tempered light on the exterior, which they call a sacrificial light. And on the inside, we use a laminated glass light, which stops the flying debris from entering the building envelope.
That would be the IGU that has the tempered glass and the laminate glass. That tempered light is made to break, right? It'll shatter into many little pieces so that when they fall, they don't hurt anyone. And then the laminate light will be actually the one that will absorb most of the impact. It'll break too, but it won't let anything through it.
We also reinforce the framing of the window a little bit more than our normal windows to make sure that the building envelope doesn't get a void when stuff is flying through the air, and then at that point creates a pressure in the building envelope.
Our impact-resistant windows are very popular along the coastline, where you may see a weather event or have a safety concern. We see them sold in the Eastern Shore, through the Carolinas, down through Florida and the Gulf of Mexico. It's one of our fastest growing products that we offer.
Manufacturing is one of the best industries to work for. It allows you to see the beginning of a product all the way through the end, the processes, and it's combined with technology and teamwork within the company.
Every window or patio door that we make has a specific customer. It's for somebody's home or house or a business, and we know that we're making exactly what they're asking for and delivering it to them on time.
Let's check in with our weather team.
The weather seems to be getting worse. Harmony, I hope you're here soon with those windows to keep us safe.
These windows down to the Gulf Coast with no speeding, as soon as possible, no accidents because my name's on the side of the truck, okay? Have a safe trip.